folks, so I am here today having dinner at Senor Jalapenos. Mexican food, my favorite food. My daughter's paying, she took me out to dinner, so I'm gonna try and get back with you later, folks. So, alright, folk, look what I got. They had a cool combo. I got some rice, beans, a burrito, along with a hard taco. I wanted to get the combo because I wanted to try the rice and beans. I didn't want to just get a burrito. Have some awesome chips over here with some bacon salsa. And my daughter got her awesome carne asada. Right, that's what it is, Pee-wee? So, it's got some guac and sour cream over here. Good stuff. So, all right, folk. Well, we are done. We were at Senor Jalapenos. That stuff was awesome. I'll tell you what. I'll definitely come back. I've been here once before. I wasn't all that impressed, but the meal I got this time was way better. So, definitely probably going to stop by again. So, all right, folk. Well, just got back from Lowe's. I got myself 2 more sheets of this here insulation. I went with a different one than I did the last time. And I figured this will work pretty cool, so we're going to check this one out. We'll check this out, folk. Zoom in just a wee bit. We got a little rabbit right here. And right over here, there's a little fella right over in this area. And they're just chilling. I actually just got out of the van, was walking in the yard, and they're not even really bothered by me being here. They're just chilling right there. Yep, they're not running from me or anything. I'm walking right up to them. What's up, little fellers? See if I can get this other one in here real good. Little thing. That's the tiny one right there. These guys are so cute. That's so cool. Oh, there they go. He's getting a little nervous now. Alright, I'll leave you guys alone. Do your thing. Well, I'm not sure what's going on, folks, but we got a helicopter just hovering over here. Yeah, it doesn't have any markings or anything on it. Just straight gray. Well, all right, folk, we're going for it. We're putting in the window today. God willing, everything goes right. So I'm gonna start this, get back with you later, folk. Well, all right, folks, so we got a few holes drilled in here. Try and make it a bit easier to get the jigsaw in there and start making a cut. Well, ooh, folk, all right. Pretty much got her. I'm gonna go outside and finish off the rest of it and get this dang window in. Well, all right, folks. So pretty much there it is installed. That's what she's gonna look like. They give you the stencil. The stencils seem to make the hole a little bit too big, and it's a little bit unsturdy. So what I'm going to do is put a couple pieces of wood like this along the sides there to make it a little more sturdy. So anyways, it's getting there, folks. Well, all right, folks, so I had to shimmy it with a few pieces of wood back here to keep it sturdy. I'm not quite sure why it's not staying tight, but anyways, it is what it is, and it is working. As you can probably see in the right corner up there, there's a little light showing, so I'm going to put some more foam stuff there, and then I'm going to caulk the crap out of it and hopefully keep it from leaking. All right, folk. So, all right, folk. Well, we got a bunch of caulk around it now. We basically got it installed the best we could do right now. So I can still see a little light I'm going to have to put a little stuff on the inside as well, just to make sure, double protection against any leaks. But for now, I got to vacuum up all the metal chips. So yeah, folk, I think it's pretty cool so far. I think it's going to be a lot better once, or look a lot better once I get the wall up and everything's looking the way I want it to. It's going to look a lot better, but I'm happy with it, working good. Now we'll see how she does when I drive around. But another cool thing is I kind of like how there's so much more light in the van. When I first open the van, I forget that the window's here. It's like, holy cow, where's all this light coming from? But yeah, so it's pretty cool. I like it, folk. Well, all right, folk. Well, it has been brutally hot the past couple of days. Windows in, thank God. One of the reasons I put it in. We are 90 plus for the next 7 days. My thing says it's hitting 99 today. Anyways, when I put it in, we had hit 89 that day. So by the time I got in the van that night, it was much cooler than usual. It would have been absolutely unbearable in there when I went in, but it was bearable. It wasn't great. Yesterday we were about 95, and when I went in, I would say around 7ish I went in. It was bearable again. It was definitely bearable, but it was a lot worse than the 80s. I was able to go to sleep and everything just fine, but I did wake up and everything. I was sweating. Had to take the pillow cover off, the pillowcase off the pillow to, because it was just wet. I was drenched. Butchie did fine. Butchie's okay. And with the next couple days, we got 2 99s and a 95 and 97, I think, something like that. So what I'm going to end up doing is I talked to my ex, and he's going to be able to stay in the house till it cools down quite a bit at night, so I don't have to worry about Butchie. And I meant to get this video out to you yesterday, but something happened, a little bit of a tragedy. I'll show you that. There was a bit of a death yesterday. It was my ex's daughter's chicken passed. So I dug in a grave and made a little cross for it. So when she walks by, she can remember her chicken and say hi to it and everything. And of course you got old Butchie boy still thinking that the chicken's in there, but it's not. So anyways, yeah, that was a bit of a bummer. That was a very cool chicken. I have never seen a chicken that lays as many eggs as that dang chicken did. Towards the end, she wasn't laying eggs. I did find one egg. When I first got here, she was still laying. Then she stopped laying them. And then I noticed she laid one, but she would break it and eat it. And she was getting enough calcium. She was getting mealworms. She was getting food and water. So I think it was just her time or whatever, unfortunately. But one of the best dang chickens I ever knew. So that was an awesome dang chicken. I really liked it. So anyways, I'm going to let you guys get going. I wanted to get this out about 2 days ago. So we're going to get it out now, and I will catch you guys later. But till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.